how you can add your bank account to UberEats. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start with opening the UberEats application. Once you are here on this page, your interface will be somehow like this on your screen. Now click on bottom right corner that says account. Now here you can see three different options at the top of your screen. Click on the second one, wallet. Now again under the payment methods, here you will see the option of add payment methods. Click on it. Now in order to add the bank account, click on bank account option. After that, here you will be directed to a new page. Here now you need to agree to let the Uber use link to connect your bank account. So simply click on that green button, agree and continue. Now you need to log in into your account in order to connect your account to Uber using link. Once you enter your email address, click on continue with link. Now follow the screen prompts and you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can add bank account to UberEats. Here I will show you guys how you can add funds to your UberEats account. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the UberEats application on your device and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are here on this page, now click on that bottom right corner option which says account. Again click on the wallets option. As you can see, here is 0.00 on UberCash. That means I haven't any funds on my account. Now in order to add funds to UberEats account, click on add payment method option. Now here as you can see, there are different payment methods from which you can add funds to your UberEats account. Simply select any one of them and transfer it to your UberCash account. And in this very easy and simple way, you can add funds to your UberEats account. So you guys how you can add debit card to UberEats. It is a quite easy and simple process, so let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start by opening UberEats application on your device. Once you are here on this interface, now click on that bottom right corner which says account. From the three different options, click on that second option, wallet. Now again click on add payment method option. Now here you will see different options from which click on the last one that says credit or debit card. Now all you can do is enter all of the card details from the debit card like card number, expiry date, CVV number, country, zip code and nickname which is optional. After filling all of the information, simply click on save option and you are good to go. In this very easy and simple process, you can add debit card to UberEats. I will show you guys how to add cash payment on UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start by opening the UberEats application. Once you are here on this homepage of UberEats, click on that bottom right corner which says account. From the three different options, click on the second one, wallet. Again click on add payment method option. As you can see, there isn't any option for the cash payment currently. So what happens is some areas or some places of the country may not support the cash payment option. So if you aren't under that restricted areas, you will be able to add the cash payment on UberEats. Now what you can do other way is go back and here you will see that option of Uber Cash. So you can just use that instead of cash payment. This tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add your PayPal account on UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open your UberEats application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are here on this interface, now click on account option at the bottom right corner. Now from here, click on wallet option from the three different options at the top of the screen. Now again click on add payment method option. Now here are the different options for the payment method. From these different options, click on PayPal option. Wait for a while and now UberEats will ask you to use paypal.com to sign in into the PayPal account. So click on continue option. Once the page loads up, now you need to enter your mobile number or your email address of the PayPal account in order to add PayPal on UberEats. Once you have entered your mobile number or your email address, simply click on next button and you can follow the screen prompts. So that's all. In this very easy and simple way, you can add PayPal on UberEats. I'll show you guys how you can add bike to UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. So firstly, hop into any web browser you have on your device, as it can't be done on UberEats application. For instance, I'll be using Safari application. Now search for the Uber help. As you can see, I have already searched for it. After searching, different websites and links will be appeared on your screen. From these different options, click on first one, Uber help. Once you are here on this page, click on driving and delivering option. Again, here on the search bar, search for chat. After searching, scroll down until you see this option of I have a different delivery issue. Click on it and you will be directed to this page. Only the customer service of UberEats will help you to add back to UberEats. So here under the share details option, enter your details saying that you want to change the vehicle to bike. Once you entered all of the details, click on submit option. Now the customer service of UberEats will reach out to you and help you to add bike to UberEats. So you guys, how you can add pictures on UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, start by opening UberEats application and make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are here on this page, click on the account option at the bottom right corner. Now on the account section at the top right corner, here you will see your profile. So click on it. Again, click on edit account option. Now here you can see on the profile there is that pencil option. Click on it. Again, tap on update photo option. Now select any of the option from the three different options: photo library, take photo and choose files. You can select any one of them and select the picture you want to add on UberEats. Let's say I want to select this one, so once you select your photo, click on done option at the top right corner. Now wait for a while and your picture will be uploaded as profile picture on UberEats account. So that's all in this very simple and easy way you can add pictures on UberEats. On this tutorial video, I will show you guys how you can add voucher to UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. It is a quite easy and simple process. So firstly, open the UberEats application. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are here on the home page of UberEats, click on the account option at the bottom right corner. Now again on the account section, click on wallet option from the three different options at the top of the screen. Now on the wallet section, here you will see under the vouchers, there are the vouchers and add voucher code option. So in order to add the voucher, click on add voucher code option. Now all you need to do is enter your voucher code and tap on continue option. So now it will help you to get some discount while ordering something from the UberEats. Today on this tutorial video, I will show you guys how to add business to UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, make sure that you have a stable internet connection on your device. After that, open any browser as you can't continue this process using the UberEats application. Here you can see I am using the Safari application. Now here, as you can see, I have already searched for UberEats. After searching here, as you can see, there are different websites and link on your screen. Scroll down until you see this option of become a delivery driver using UberEats. Click on it. Once you are here on this page, at the top right corner, here you will see two dash line. Click on it. Again, different options will pop up on your screen, from which click on business. Here you can see some of the details, so simply click on how to get started button. Here, as you can see, there are two ways to get started with Uber for business. Let's say I want to select the first one. So simply click on that sign up now option. Here on this page, you need to enter some of the details about your company. Enter the organization, work email, company size, that means the total number of employees on your company, and you can also enter the phone number, which is optional. After filling all of your information, simply tap on I agree button after reading all the terms and conditions of the UberEats. Finally, click on next button. Guys, how to add location to UberEats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the UberEats application on your device. Make sure that you are logged into your account. Once you are here on this home page, now at the top left corner, here you will see the address. Click on it. Now click on that search bar and search for the location. For example, I will search for New York. Now you need to select the building type, whether it is house, apartment, office, hotel or any other. Let's say I will choose for apartment. Now you need to enter all of the additional address information like apartment floor, building name, entry code, and you can also select the drop-off options. As well as you can also add the instructions for the delivery person. Once you entered all of the information, simply click on save and continue option. And with that, you are good to go. In this very simple and easy way, you can add location to Uber Eats. This tutorial video, I will show you guys how to add Google Pay to Uber Eats. So let's get right into the tutorial. Firstly, open the Uber Eats application and make sure that you are logged in into your account. Once you are here on this page, now click on Accounts option at the bottom right corner. From these three different options, click on the second one that says Wallets. Again, click on Add Payment Method. As you can see here, there isn't any option for Google Pay, so unfortunately you aren't able to add Google Pay to Uber Eats. It is because some places and some areas may not support Google Pay method, so you aren't allowed to use it. So in order to add Google Pay to Uber Eats, make sure that you aren't under that restricted areas.
In this video, I'm going to show you how to redeem Uber Eats gift card online. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. Open up a web browser of your choice. In the web address bar that appears at the top, type in www.ubereats.com and press enter on a keyboard. Make sure that you're logged into your Uber Eats account and go ahead and order the food that you'd like to purchase online and add it on your shopping cart. Now once you're done with it, click open your shopping cart at the top right hand corner and click on Go to Checkout. You can easily redeem your gift card during the checkout page for Uber Eats. In the checkout page, scroll a bit down and right under where it says Payment, click on the Edit button right next to Add Payment Method. You can add a debit or credit card, gift card, and PayPal for your payment method. Go and click on the gift card button in order to redeem a gift card that you have from Uber Eats. Type in your gift card number in the text box which appears at the back of your gift card and finally click on Apply beneath in order to redeem your gift card online with Uber Eats.